Hey guys, welcome back to my video on synthetic division, our video on homework discussion. All right, so I have chosen previously to do questions 95 and 96. I do have question 97 here in my slide, 98 and 99, but I really want you to try those on your own to see if you've made any progress from my previous video. But this video I'm definitely going to go over because there's a difference between this example versus the other examples, okay? So let's begin. So we know we have to use synthetic division. We can use synthetic division because it's in that form x minus a. So the first thing we have to do is figure out what number goes in that box. And if you remember from my first video, it is whatever the divisor is set equal to 0. So x must equal 3. So that's the number that goes inside this box. If you remember from the other videos, the following numbers are going to be the numbers that represents your coefficients of the polynomial, but making sure that the coefficients, your polynomial is in standard form. Okay, so right now this is in standard form. So let's list all of our coefficients. So the coefficient of x to the fourth power is 1. So if it's not there, it is considered 1. All right. Now notice here that it jumps from x to the fourth power and then it jumps to x to the second power. So which means there was x to the third power in between. Okay. If it's not there, the coefficient there is 0. So that's why I placed a 0. Okay, right after. All right, let me bring this down so I have enough space to use. All right, so that's 1 and then 0. Okay, and then this is the coefficient of x squared, so which is 2. This is the coefficient of x to the first, which is 5. And then this is our constant, -2. Okay, so many of you guys are making your mistake because of the 0 here, right? So just be careful. All right, now skip a line and then draw a line. Okay. So now we're ready to begin our synthetic division. So bring down the first term, which is 1. Multiply this box by that number, okay, which you get 1 times 3 is 3. And then add 0 plus 3 is 3. And then multiply. 3 times 3 is 9. And then add 2 plus 9 is 11. 3 times 11 is 33. Okay, and then add 5 plus 33 is 38. Okay, then multiply. 3 times 38 is 114. Okay, and then add. All right, so -2 plus 114 is 112. I know it seems like it's a big number, but I mean, that is the remainder. Okay. All right, so now let's write our quotient. So remember from the other video, I explained how if your polynomial is raised to the fourth power, then your quotient should always be 1 degree less. That means 1 exponent less. So if you had the power of 4 in your dividend, then your quotient is going to be x to the power of 3. Okay, so these are all the coefficients of your quotient. So that's 1x to the power of 3 plus 3x squared plus 11x plus 38, and then plus your remainder 112 over your divisor. And that is your final answer. Okay? Thank you for watching.